Okay, so yesterday we stopped at the part where the ballet master had grabbed her face. So and it said she started to grow, like she started to feel like she was confident in what she could do. The ballet master made an arrangement for me to join lessons each day from the back of the room. Even though I can't perform on stage with white girls, every class I try harder, to stand taller, to leap higher, to dance better. And every once in a while, when Mrs. Adams is especially surprised, or perhaps even pleased with my form, she asks me to demonstrate a movement for the whole class. With every bend, I hope, with every plie, every turn, or plie, I don't know dance words. Every grand, I hope. The harder I work, the bigger my hope grows. And the more I wonder, could a colored girl like me ever become a prima ballerina? So she's working so hard in hopes that something good is going to come, but she's still in the back of her mind wishing that it would happen. Then last week in Mr. Gray's day-old paper, I saw a picture of Janet Collins, and a whole heartful of hope leapt up and spun itself around my mind, making me dizzy with promise. Miss Janet Collins, first colored prima ballerina, Metropolitan Opera House. Mama says we'll be there tonight to see Miss Collins dance, even though it costs half of what she puts back for her new sewing machine. So that we can infer that her mama really wants her to see that colored women can do this. And I think that she really wants her to do it because I think she wants her to know that there's still hope for her. And I think she wants her to know that her daughter is really good. But because the text says it cost half of the money she had put back and saved. So we know that was a lot of money. So it was a big deal for them to go to that ballet. Waiting now for the bus, my feet won't stop their tippy-tappy, jumping jingle. Can't hardly wait wiggle. It takes 3 different buses to get where we're going. I kept checking Mama's watch and straining my neck to see how far we've gone. But in this crowded bus from our place in the back, all I can see are sidewalks and storefronts. It makes it hard to see the tops of high-rises, landmarks that would let me know we're close, ones that I would recognize from wishing on a skyline every single night. It says that her tippy-tappy jumping jiggle can't hardly wait wiggle. I like the way that they use those words to help me visualize what it looked like when she was sitting there. When we finally reach our stop, I hop from the bus and stare at the huge building in front of me. I watch fancy people entering through the doorway. I tug my jacket and smooth my hair. Then Mama takes my hand and we go inside. As we enter the auditorium of the Metropolitan Opera House, I think, I must look small. Even Mama looks small. What do you think she means by I look small? I think it might mean like she doesn't feel like she fits in, or she doesn't feel like she's part of who is really there. The curtain goes up and I inch forward to the edge of my seat, listening to the rush of music and the round voices of the singers, but waiting, watching for Miss Collins. When she glides onto the stage, I don't know if I am dreaming, if I am even breathing, because she doesn't seem to touch the floor. She twirls and my heart jumps up from where I'm sitting, soaring, dancing, opening wide with the swell of music. I can tell that she is really excited to be there because the text says she's on the edge of her seat. My heart is jumping up, so that lets me know she is super excited to be there. In my heart, I'm the one leaping across the stage, raising myself high on those shoulders, then falling slowly to the arms below. It's like Miss Collins is dancing for me, only for me, showing me who I can be. All my hopping wells up and spills over, dripping all of my dreams onto my Sunday dress. So she's imagining she's on stage with her. When it's all over, I clap for the singers, the members of the chorus, for the musicians and the maestro. But I shout for Janet Collins, joining a chorus of "Brava! Brava!" many voices strong. Hope puffs up my chest just a bit. And one day, those voices will be for me. Mama and I dance our way home under the night sky, and I don't even try to catch a glimpse of the first star. No need to waste my wishes. I've got dreams coming true. So, I think the message that the author wants us to learn from this book is to follow your dreams and to do whatever you feel is your hopes and your dreams. And don't let anything slow you down. It says hope and hard work are more likely to help someone achieve a dream than wishing for it. So instead of saying, I wish that I could do this, instead, hope and work hard for it, and it will really happen. And role models can inspire people to work towards a dream. And so sometimes there's people who inspire us to be who we are or who we want to become.